Hello everyone, we are going to start exercise 11.3 as we have seen examples of the same. So let's start. First question, second question, and whatever the questions will miss, we'll cover at the end. So let's start with the second question. You can try the first question. If not, I'll let you know at the end. What is the second question? It's given cos 12 degree minus sine 78 degree. As we are dealing with the complementary angles, thus no, let me take the pen. Okay, yeah. So cos 12 degree sine 78 degree. So to sine 78, can we write 90 minus 12 degree, and sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Thus cos 12 minus cos 12 is nothing but 0. Let's move on to the third question. Cosecant 31 minus secant 59. Thus, how can we write secant as 90 minus 31, and secant 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. Thus, cosecant 31 minus cosecant 31 is 0. Let's move on to next question. Yeah, second question, and don't worry about the other questions. I'll discuss. Okay, so due to portrait mode, I couldn't tell you. Yeah, let's move on to the second question, and in second question, the second sub question. What is the question given here? Cos 36 degree cos 54 degree minus sine 36 sine 54, and this is equals to 0. So we have to prove that this particular equation, that LHS is equals to RHS. If you can observe it clearly, so this LHS is following a formula, and the formula is cos of A plus B equals to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, and here if you can see, so you will find cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, let's try to solve this. LHS is cos of A plus B, that is 36 plus 54, and it is equals to cos 90 equals to 0. Directly RHS, you can write this you can write this formula and directly, but in exam don't do this mistake. Just try to solve, and this is how you have to solve this. So cos 54, we can write cos of 90 minus 36, and to sin 54 we can write 90 minus 30. So cos 36 sin 36 sin 36 cos 36. Thus cos 36 sin 36 minus sin 36 cos 36 is 0. Thus you will get RHS. So either you try this method or this method. So I'll recommend you to go with this method, as the concepts are and the examples are dealing in the same method. So that is fine. Next, come to the third question. If tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle. What is the meaning of acute angle? Acute angle means angle less than 90 degree but greater than 0. Okay, so this is, let's say if it is a, so less than 90 and greater than 0. Okay, and find the value of a. Let's try to solve this one. Tan 2a equals to cot of a minus 18 degree. Can we write tan 2a as cot of 90 minus 2a? Yes. Okay, and here on the right side already there is cot, so cot and cot gets cancelled, and what we are left with, 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18. Thus 18 comes on the left side, thus it becomes 108 equals to 3a, and this gets cancelled and we are left with 36. Okay, thus the value of a is 36. Let's move on to the fourth question, and it is given if tan a equals to cot b, if tan A is equal, where A and B are acute angles, once again they are less than 90 and greater than 0, then prove that A plus B equals to 90. Very easy question. See how to solve this. Tan A equals to cot B, so we can write tan A equal as cot of 90 minus A, or even you can write this one as tan of 90 minus B, either of the way. Here you can write tan of 90 minus B, and as it is, if you leave this, so directly you can. So as I've taken this as a cot, okay, I've taken everything in cot, just cot and cot gets cancelled, and then we are left with 90 minus A equals to B, thus this comes this side, so A plus B equals to 90 degree, hence proved. Let's move on to the fifth question. Sorry for the visibility, okay, as due to the light marker, okay. So if you have any questions, so please comment in the comment section. The question is, if A, B and C are the interior angles of a triangle, interior C, this is the interior angle, this one, okay, as I have told you in the examples, same type of question. Then show that tan of A plus B by 2 equals to cot C by 2. Okay, so how you can prove, how you will prove this? As we know, sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree, okay, this due to this property, and we are dividing by 2 on both the side, thus what we need, A plus B on one side and C on other side. Thus what we'll do, we'll take A plus B as one group and C as in separate, and then A plus B by 2 equals to 90 minus C, and then multiply both the side with tan. Thus tan of A plus B by 2 is equals to tan 90 minus C by 2, and tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta, thus cot C by 2, hence proved. Let's move on to the sixth question, and it's the last question, and even after this I'll let you know the other questions which we have left, okay. So express sine 75 degree plus cos 65 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. What is the question which is given to us? Sine 75 plus cos 65. Can we write sine 75 as 90 minus 15, okay, and cos 65 as 90 minus 25. Why we are doing this? Because it is given that in between 0 and 45, okay, so that is the reason, and 15 and 25 are the values which are in between this, okay. So sin 90 minus 15 is cos 15, and cos 90 minus 25 is sin 25. Thus sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, okay. So let's here is the first question which we have left, okay. Let's see first question. Let me take the pen, okay. Yeah, so tan 36 by cot 54. So can we change 36? So can we write 36 as 90 minus 54, and tan 90 minus 54 is cot 54. Thus cot 54 by 54 gets cancelled, and we are left with this, okay. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah, not this one, okay, as we have left with the fourth and fifth in our earlier topics, okay. So sine 15 and secant 75. So can you recall from the earlier topics that sine into cosecant is 1, thus sine 15 and to secant can we write 90 minus 15, and secant 90 minus 15 is nothing but cosecant 15, thus sine 15 into cosecant 15 is 1. Then we have tan 26 and tan 64. So tan into cot is equals to 1. Thus what we know, let me take y, okay, yeah, So tan 26 and to tan 64 I am writing as 90 minus 26. Thus tan 26 into cot 26 is nothing but 1. Okay, let's move on to the next. Yeah, this one we have left earlier. Tan 48 into tan 16, 42, 74. Here you have to make sure that you are making a group of when you add the terms, you should get 90. So 48 plus 42, so this is one group. 74 plus 16, it makes 90. Thus we have to take two groups simultaneously. So tan theta into cot theta equals to 1. This is the basic property. And find the pairs, that is 48 and 48 and 42. Sorry for this. This is 42. Okay, and this is 16 comma 64. Let's so tan 48, tan 42, tan 16, tan 74. So can we write 42 as 90 minus 48? Yes. So cot 48, then tan 16, tan 90 minus 16, that is cot 16. Thus tan cot cancel, tan cot not cancel, it means tan theta into cos theta equals to 1, tan theta into cos theta equals to cot theta equals to 1. Thus 1 into 1 is 1. So this is how. Okay. And I guess we are done with all the topics. Thank you everyone, and we'll meet in the next exercise and example problems.